Hello guys, in this video, I will show you step by step how to get the Battle Bus car in Fortnite via Rocket League. Step 1. Download and install Rocket League on your platform, such as Epic Games, PS5, Xbox, or Switch. Step 2. Log in with your Epic Games account and make sure that it's the same account linked in your Fortnite. Step 3. Play Rocket League and complete the required challenges or event milestones that unlock the Battle Bus. Step 4. Once you have unlocked the Battle Bus will appear in your Rocket League garage. Step 5. The reward should automatically sync to your Fortnite account via the Epic Games connection. Step 6. Open your Fortnite and check your locker or item section to confirm the Battle Bus car that is available right now. Note that some Battle Bus editions are time limited and may only be unlocked during cross-platform events or collabs. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.